Alright guys, we're heading to go pick up my Mustang. My Uber's here. Aw, damn it, not a Hellcat. Why is it every time I call an Uber, this car shows up? I lock my keys in here. Say goodbye to the puppers. Bye, puppers. Alright guys, we're gonna go pick up the Mustang and the Hellcat. Brock got his new tires on the car. We're probably gonna film a video on that later. It'll be uploaded at some point after this video, but we're gonna get on the ride. Dunkin'? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go. I'm gonna get some Dunkin' Donuts to fuel our adventures for today. One donut each, because a donut a day keeps the nightmares away, something like that. Guys, we're at God's gift to the Midwest, HPJ Performance. Some cool cars out here. My car right there, got a pair of debts, and take it home. Alright guys, we just picked the Mustang back up. Pretty sure I've already said that 400 times just because I tend to repeat myself a lot, but I took the Mustang to HPJ Performance. We did a 373 to a 331 gear in the rear end. Also, big shout out to HPJ because somehow, some way, American Muscle sent me the gears for a GT500. Thankfully, HPJ had a set of 331s in stock that fit my car, and they were willing to just do a straight up swap with me, so it saved me money, some time, probably a hassle. Hopefully they didn't already have the rear end apart. If they didn't have those, that would have been bad. But saved me some money and some time, so big shout out to them. But we're driving the car right now. It's not making any weird noises or anything besides the shaking in my headliner that always makes that noise. Car feels smooth. Honestly, it feels smoother. I don't know if that's a placebo or whatnot, but those guys do great work over there. Can't wait to get some pulls in. I don't know if I'll do it in this video because, well, I definitely will do it in this video, but I don't know if I'll do it by myself. Kind of want someone to be able to film. But the car is smooth, feels good. I can't wait to be able to get in it, do some pulls, but we'll get that on video, so let's go. All right, it's recording. All right, guys, we try to do a different little gear from a roll from a 40. Second gear, 4,000 RPM roughly, and Alright guys, we just got done filming the video on the new gears. Not much content involved in this one. Went and picked it up, did like one pull. Obviously I did more pulls, not on video. Car feels so much better. It cost me about $800 in total to switch the gears from 373s to 331s. I definitely think it was worth it by far. Kind of sucks I spent that much money, didn't really gain any increase in power. That's almost the price of 1050X injectors, which will probably be happening to this car anyways, but it definitely needs it. I feel like it still needs a bit more power, but it rolls out. Hope you guys can pick that up in the video. Well worth the purchase. Big thank you to HPJ Performance for getting the job done. Car's amazing, and right now we're gonna go film a video on Brock's Hellcat, and then yeah, so we're gonna get right on the way for that, and we'll see where the day takes us. But hope you guys enjoy this, and as always, stay slow.